Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have been given the value of f1, f2 and f3 in terms of q, and thus we have to simplify f1 multiplied by f2 minus f3. So f1 is minus of 6q, and then we have f2 which is 6q plus 3, 6q plus 3, and then we have to subtract the result from minus of 7q plus 1. Okay, that's it. Now from the rules of algebra we know that at first we have to carry out all the operations which is present within the pair of brackets, and then we have to solve the multiplicative operator, and finally we are going to solve the difference operator. So within the pair of brackets we have minus of 6q multiplied by 6q plus 3. So minus of 6q multiplied by 6q will give us minus of 36q square, and then minus of 6q multiplied by 3 will become minus of 18q, and from here we have minus of minus 7q will become plus 7q, and minus of plus 1 will become minus of 1. So we are going to have minus of 36q square minus of 18q plus 7q minus 1. So minus of 36q square, and then we have minus of 18q plus 7q will give us minus of 11q, and then we have minus of 1. So this will be our final required answer in terms of q. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.